Here's PingID app. So tap get to install it. Double click to install it. Confirm with your Face ID. Yes, this is interesting cloud-based authentication solution that enables user to authenticate to applications via their phone. PingID delivers a solution that is easy to use for end users with the security that administrators need. End users are presented with a notification on their device when a strong authentication is needed and offers offline support when the device does not have a signal. This application is designed for use with PIN1 and PIN Federate. Before installing this application, you need to verify a company that has the use of PingID. Otherwise, you just need to reach out to their support. So yeah, there you have it. That's the app you will need at your organization if you need to create a passcode and verify it. So yeah, that's basically what you can get here. And then you can just open the app. You need to accept terms and conditions. You will need to approve the following prompts. You need to pair it. To use a PingID, you first need to pair your device by scanning a QR code or by entering a parent key provided by your company administrator, IT administrator, or help desk. On your old device, open PingID and tap the settings icon. And then, you can just give access to the camera, pair device, or enter the key manually here. So, and then you can also have some nice support. So yeah, that's how you get started.